Let's talk new spring flowering tulip bulbs to add to your collection. I have 5 very special and unique introductions to show you. Crispion Sweet's a collector's tulip. It's a beautiful double ruffled pink with white feathered tips. Sweet Desire is a beautiful double creamy white with outer soft lavender petals. Strong stems make it great for flower arranging. Pairs beautifully with snow crystal. Bullseye is truly unique. Outer green petals with a ruby red center that open up to look like a bullseye. And it pairs beautifully with Tulip Peptalk. Red Madonna is a beautiful deep red parrot tulip with purple black feathering through the petals. And the unique texture of these makes them truly wonderful as cut flowers. Pairs beautifully with Rococo. Ice Cream Banana is a very special double late tulip. It's got beautiful yellow centers with strawberry pink petals on the bottom. When it first starts to bloom, it looks like it will be all pink, but then the yellow pops out. It pairs beautifully with its sister, Ice Cream. Come get them quick before I buy them all.